man. I'm
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Irish and fuck, what's your name?
MTR.
There we
Dude.
go. Yeah. All right, we're playing. What the fuck is that thing? Like right there. Oh, it's reflection. Okay, so we're playing White Noise. It's that fucking Jew.
Okay, come on, guys. Come on.
Get that face.
That face. Alrighty, so today I'm gonna be playing this game called White Noise. It's online and it's on Cody's little Xbox.
Fuck up, Derek.
And right now, I'm gonna see if I can say anything gibberish. Cause every time when I get scared, I say something gibberish. anyways, let's go on. Let's play this scary ass game. Then I'm just gonna get my socks off for this one. Alright. I'm starting off slow.
Jimmy invites in.
Okay.
Nolan. Fucking Nolan.
Okay.
Shit. You gotta find tapes.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Actually,
whoa, what the hell?
What?
It just got frizzy. What does that mean?
That was a retard rock. I'm
Okay.
guessing.
That was a retard rock, okay.
Oh, do you mean like there was dust on the screen?
No, it just like fizzed. Like the screen just
Like that?
Whoa!
Like that? That's
Holy
normal.
crap!
They do that randomly just to fuck with you.
Oh. Fuck you, editor.
Like sometimes it just freezes and flashes.
Okay.
Go that way,
Left?
that way, left. Yeah, that way.
That's the way that I came from.
Oh, you came from. Yeah, there's one in there.
There's one in there?
Yeah, you hear that noise?
Oh, I
there
see.
it is. Yeah, you hear that noise? That means
Oh god.
that noise
It's
means
like
there's one.
having ear sex in my nut. Whoa.
Yeah, that's pretty scary.
Holy crap. Somebody's talking.
Timmy.
Ow.
He's so
trying to hit him.
Make sure to check behind you often.
Okay. Alright.
Oh yeah, follow the screechy noise. That's where the tapes are.
Yeah, usually that's where the tapes are.
Oh.
The fucking fuzziness always screws you.
Oh. Graveyard over there.
Graveyard.
Oh, graveyard. We got our
Dude.
Just alright, looks like we're not going that way.
How can you fucking run in this game?
Right trigger.
You can't run.
Right trigger.
Right trigger.
Hold
All
right trigger.
Okay. Alright. Alright.
And if you run, you get scared more.
Alright. He's not there. He's not there. Oh my. Where am I stepping on? Okay.
Sounds like fucking glass. You just came from there.
Wait, no, there's a tape there. There's
He
a
just
tape.
came from there.
Oh.
But I don't think he got the tape.
Yeah, he did. That's what.
I'm too big. Oh god. Oh, whoa. Okay.
It's probably still behind you. Don't check. Don't check. You checked.
My phone is vibrating.
Mine is too.
Well, Nolan, what are you doing back there in the darkness?
Oh no! Oh no! He's right behind me! I can hear him breathe! Oh no! Oh no! Get the fuck away! Get the fuck away! Get the I'm fucking sweating my ass off here! I'm shaking right now!
A wall.
Get the fuck away.
He's Predator.
Get the fuck away.
Nolan.
I hear a grudging sound. I hope that's not coming from him. That'll be freaky.
Oh yeah, he screamed. But if he's screaming, he's not near you, so you're
Okay.
fine. When you hear him scream, that's good. He's right behind you right now. He just came from there.
I don't care. I want to ditch him.
Look behind you.
Yeah, I'm not gonna fucking look behind me. I'm not gonna look.
You did. You looked behind.
Dude.
It's okay, I think. After a little, you need to get out of the same damn area.
I
first.
don't. I'm trying to find a way.
That way. Okay.
This way.
Now take a right.
Take a right.
Yeah, do that hallway.
Okay.
Oh wait, that's not a hall. Well, there's a right. Just
Is
keep.
that it?
Yeah, now take
Okay,
a right.
good.
Take a
All right.
right.
Make it right.
Yeah, make the first right you can.
All right.
This is enjoyable. Stop looking behind you when you want to appear. Yeah, just go that way. Straight. Or yeah.
Go straight.
If you go straight, you're not gonna make a circle. 'Cause I'm pretty sure you can't make a circle by going straight. Wait, check left. Wait, check right. Check right. Check right. I mean right. I mean right. I mean right. That way.
You just want to see him, huh, Sebastian?
I want to see if. Whoa! What the?
You just went. Go back. Go back. Go back. You just went from the. Go
No,
that
he
way.
didn't. He didn't. He didn't come for the place with the red bars. Just go through that.
Oh God!
No, go through that way. Go through
Oh.
that way. That's not a dead
no,
end.
that's a black way.
What's a black? See, they're terracotta warriors. There's one. There's a tape in there.
Banana,
You know, right now you look like my Uncle Gary.
Ugh,
Oh, Mary.
I don't want to look like your Uncle Gary.
If you hear a zzz sound, it's either a tape or a retard rock. No offense.
Okay.
No, English is great at helping express your feelings. You should try it sometime.
Oh.
You're just chilling there, Sebastian.
If you stop running, it won't scare you so bad. Like the giant flash won't appear. Oh,
Okay.
looks like he doesn't want to be there anymore.
Oh.
That means he's gonna appear in front of you in the halls. Oh boy.
This nigger white shit just came out of fucking nowhere.
Nigger white shit.
Yes. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. He's going Arabian.
I haven't found any other tapes right now.
Yeah, you're only on the first.
I'm on my first, and this is how bad it's gonna get.
Yeah, that's just. I went on like
Where?
6 on. Just go right.
Just go right.
Yeah.
Alex, get the fuck away from me.
Oh
man.
boy, another hall. Take a left.
Make a left.
Oh wait, no, go right. Go right. That way.
Alright. Make up your damn mind over
Well,
here.
I didn't see what was that way. Yeah, there should be a tape in the next room. No, not that way. Not that way.
Like,
Yeah,
go straight?
back. Yeah, that way.
Alright.
Or Justin.
Someone behind you.
Oh, that's a retard rock. Don't look at that. It'll kill you. Yeah, go that way. That's a great way.
That is not a retard rock. That looks like a tomb.
It'll kill you if you look at it for too long. Yeah, go that way.
This way?
Yeah, but don't
Alright.
look at the retard rock. Because I think it's going to be...
The giant green dildo. Look
A
at the
green dildo. That's...
No, go left. You're going to read under the rock.
This... Oh,
Looks like
God.
that's a nice way to go.
Oh, God.
See what's in there. Oh, nothing. Those rooms are just for... yeah, go that way. Left.
Left?
You've already been right.
Alright.
If you remember where you go, you remember where you can't.
Of course I can't remember where I go. I'm fucking freaked out as shit.
Well, this has been a great MTR in production.
Hell yeah. You are going to post this onto your channel and mine as
It's
well,
on
right?
yours.
Onto mine?
On
Alright.
MTR.
Okay.
It automatically uploads as soon as it's done recording.
Oh, okay then.
It's a webcam. Yeah, nice. Oh, there's a...
Oh,
Should be something. Oh, look, it's Garrick's ex-girlfriend.
oh, would you look at that?
Okay.
I didn't know that your girlfriend was a cow.
You didn't?
Well, I only know the saggy tits.
Wait.
That's
Oh
Sounds
my
like
God.
there's one near you.
I kind of.
If you hear like a...
Oh dear!
Go that way. That way. Straight.
What?
That way. No, you don't. Okay, fine. Go that way.
Oh my God.
Yeah, there's nothing in that room.
Alex, if you keep on doing that, I will seriously
left.
punch you in
Oh,
the
there's something in that
nuts.
room. Go back.
What?
Go back.
Something in the room.
Yeah, there's something in that room. Unless you've been there already.
No, he hasn't.
Yeah,
I
there's
haven't.
some-
I hear the
There it is.
screeching.
Right there. Right there. Right. Right on. Oh god. Right. Right. What does right mean, Sebastian? Down.
I'm sorry.
Down. Right there.
Where?
Right.
Okay, there we go. Okay,
Now,
2.
Music
I got
gets
2 now.
scarier. 9 minutes, 30 seconds, and you're on 2. Great.
Ew.
This is worse than Slender.
Yeah, don't do that.
Okay.
Yeah, don't.
Commies.
Oh my god.
I think you've been there. I remember the red rope.
There's a lot of red ropes around here, so can you be specific enough?
That red rope.
That red rope.
Yeah, you've been there. That's the dead end.
Okay. Alex, dude, I'm serious, man.
Yeah, you've
Don't
been there.
do
There's
this
the
to me.
terracottas. Try no left. Left.
Okay, left. This way.
Farther.
Further.
Farther. Left. You are great at direction. Left. Okay. Go straight. English. English.
Shut up! I'm speaking Arabic.
Arabic.
Shut up! I have a
Arabic.
pronunciation problem.
That's not even trying to pronunciate a word. That's just Welcome to 7-Eleven. How may I help you?
May I please take your order, sir?
Can I please take your order, Mr. White Noise Monster? Would you like a Slurpee?
Welcome to Tech and Talk. How may I help you?
My name is Rishni. I still call that kid Rishni. He hates me for it.
Okay, I'm double checking if he's there.
Yeah, that's always a great idea.
That is always a great idea.
Try left.
Turn left, alright.
You always either overdo what I say or underdo.
Or do the complete opposite.
Yeah. Okay, there should be something in there, but I'm not sure. Yeah, there is.
There is?
There it is. Hey. Let's get, yeah, go down. Wait.
Behind you, go behind you.
Yeah, that way.
Alrighty. I'm on third one right now.
Yeah. Number 3.
Number
And his
3.
light's already going out.
My light's just going out? Dude, there's a freaking time limit on your freaking light?
Your light
That's bullshit.
turns off at around 20, I believe. Like, not turns off, but it flickers so much and it's really dim. Oh!
Oh, there's one. I think I hear... Wake up here!
I hear white noise monster. Garrick, oh my god, you're back at the terracottas.
Shut up!
Garrick, get off your phone and watch. It's entertaining.
I can watch it on YouTube. I'm texting, buddy.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, there he is. This little Mike. Little.
Oh, there he is!
I know them!
No, there's only one. He teleports. Just like Dojo.
Why is there 2 of them? I turned
There's
around.
one.
He's
He
right-
teleports.
Okay, I'll imagine that as Juan.
Okay, one.
I'll imagine him as Juan.
Juan.
Get the hell away from me.
You would have to, like...
Hey, look, a ghost. Follow it. It'll take you.
Follow
It takes you to the yeah, to the
Alright.
tapes,
Alright.
or it takes you straight to him, but usually the tapes.
Most likely.
Alrighty.
But sometimes it takes you to tapes that were already taken.
Gee Willikers, you guys. We got to solve a mystery.
We got a mystery on. Oh shit! I almost dropped it.
Dude. Where the hell are we going?
Apparently this way.
I'm up with you! Okay!
Well, look that way for nothing.
Yeah, that guy can't see him, so he doesn't know where he's going.
Of course he can't see him. He's a freaking ghost! And there's a web right there. I'm gonna go through it.
YOLO.
Chopper.
Hey.
I
Dude, your light's going out.
don't. Oh no! Oh no!
It just gets-
My light just went off.
Press X.
Press X.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh.
Did they recharge after one?
Look, there's
Oh.
blood footprints on the wall.
Somebody's on the period.
There's the ghost right there.
He wasn't going that way.
I'm not going with him because he led me to that big old white nigger.
Big old white nigger.
You've been there before, damn it.
We got ourselves a big old white nigger.
There's a
Get out
video.
of my
We've been here
face.
before. Go back.
They did it. I don't care.
Garrett,
I'm
Giga Wigga.
so.
Giga Wigga.
See, this is what happens when we all get together. We do stupid shit.
It's
Exactly.
honky honky.
Dude, we should keep on doing this. Like every Friday,
Honky
you
honky.
should get like a get together.
Fucking people would stop getting on Xbox.
Oh, I hear one. I hear one. I hear one.
I think that's a retard rock.
Yeah. Hey,
If you stay between those two, you're screwed.
I'm a tank. I'm a tank.
Oh God.
Try that way.
I'm looking
Stop
around.
being a nigger.
Garrick, you're one yourself.
Yeah, I'm black. I'm a nigger.
We're
And what's really
all
funny,
niggers.
I can actually say nigger every time with him because he doesn't care.
Give a crap.
Exactly,
Nigger,
thank
nigger,
you.
Nigger, nigger, nigger. Nigger. I probably
Wait,
say
go right,
nigger
go right,
more
right.
times a day.
Okay, but
Never mind, right back.
Don't ask, you shit.
Wait, go back. There's a tape there.
There's a. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Go back to where the
Wait
until he goes-
to stalk you. Yes, that's
Wait
a
until it
great
goes
idea,
away. There's a
Irish.
tape. There's a tape there. There's a tape there. You
Oh,
need to go
there's a
back.
tape there.
Yeah, you need to go back. Go back and
suggest
knock
I
on the
No,
door.
if you
stand
don't get the tape, you will go and leave.
Okay, okay.
But which way did he come from? I don't remember.
I
anymore.
came from right there.
No, you didn't.
It came
right
from more to
there.
the left.
That's where you came from.
That's where I was pointing.
Yeah. Okay. Wait, wasn't it more to the left?
No.
Yeah, it's just to the left.
Well,
Right there. Or-
Right there. Right there. Right there. Right
Yeah,
there.
right there.
that is fucking Ooh, pour
Great,
out
I'm cornered.
your hat. No, not yet. And if you're cornered, all you have to do is just like do a 360, and usually he disappears.
Oh yeah, do a 360 and.
That's what I did. Like
360 quick scope fakey. No, it would suck if this recording corrupted and we got to do this all over again.
Oh god, I hear
Except
a bell. I hear a freaking.
Oh
bell.
yeah, well that bell starts. Just wait until like 6. It goes wong, wong. I don't think you'll make it to 6 though. It's okay. No offense.
Dude, there's like freaking more than 6.
There's 8 tapes. See, if you don't do that, he doesn't appear as much.
Yeah.
I'm curious.
Oh, hey, I wonder where he is. Even though I lose the game, I'm going to look straight into
Go
the
right,
side.
yeah, that way. Or not.
What?
Yeah, that way.
Okay.
No, you in the hallway.
Oh my
Right
god.
there. Ding, ding, ding.
Try the other way.
Oh god, bloodstains.
Dude, blood on the dance floor. It's a shit. Oh, text me, baby. I got my phone.
Where do I turn now?
Straight.
Just keep on going straight?
Yeah, where's my phone?
Alright.
Garrett didn't. Oh yeah, it's charging over there. Shit.
Alrighty.
We cuss a lot. Shut up, Nolan. You don't. No, dude, I don't think one word of your fucking words.
Oh, but there! Oh, there he is!
Oh, but there. Oh, there he is.
Yeah.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, there! No, no,
No, look out!
Oh, there he is!
Look at him.
I think he just wanted it to end.
You're gonna play fear now.
Come here.
No, I'm not gonna play fear.
Shut up, shut up.
Shh, it's okay.
You graduated from high school.
Graduated from high school,
Gra-
that's what I
Yeah,
do.
it doesn't pick
Yeah,
you up
exactly.
Alright, let's see our replay. Turn the screen.
either. I don't think it'll get it.
No.
Yeah,
no.
it's too fucking glary.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
too blurry, never mind. Okay, here I go. Right. I turn
Watch
to
how many times you went around in circles.
Okay, found one.
Look, a penis. Now it's a bigger penis. Oh, you just scribbled all
Look
over
at
it.
look at that. Look at how many times you went around in circles, dude.
Oh, he finally broke away.
Why don't you like do one giant circle around?
Looks like he's trying to make a cigar. Oh, no, now it's like a boot.
No, it's just a
Now it's a cleat.
cannon. No.
No, it looks like Italy.
Now it's a dinosaur.
Now
Now it's a dinosaur with a lasso. Now
No,
it's
dude, it looks like Italy. That's what it kind of looks like.
kinda without the like. Now you're going in more circles. Same fucking circles. Oh no. Oh no, never mind. Same circles. That big.
that big.
I don't break back,
Jesus Christ.
and I died. Right
It's like
there.
you made like a map. All right, guys. I don't know.
Alright, guys, get together. Come on.
No.
I'll get in here.
Alright, guys.
Nolan, you
that is
faggot,
my
my
foot.
hand will-
There's Garrick's foot. There's Garrick's hand.
Nolan, get your head in here. Don't touch my dick, you fucking faggot. Okay, bye.
Alrighty. There. Fucking Nolan. Anyways, I'll be seeing you guys later. Master Toby, Irish Roll Gamer, Art Carbon Clockwork,
Hard carbon.
yeah, and Garrick, get your face over here. We need you in this.
He's texting his white woman. It's okay. See you later, guys.
Alright, see ya,
I'm gonna
guys.
wait till it's exactly 9:30.
Alright, bye.